Hello, dear students. This is me again. It's nice to be back, at least virtually, to talk to you and give you the instructions for the interactive spot classes because, well, I'm still here. Don't think that I've left or something like that. No, no, no. I will be here continuing motivating you to improve your level of English by the use of technology. That's the spirit of interactive spot. Well, today I have a special invitation, which is please check the Teams channel as I will show you in a moment. So I'm going to open my Teams for you to see what I'm talking about. And well, I'm going to select any of the classes. Remember, if you're in first grade, well, you select first, second, third, well, according to the level in which you are. In this opportunity, I'm going to check a second grade interactive spot channel. And remember that we are in the second term. I've seen happily that some students are actually working very well on the activities that I have proposed for this second term. Remember that some of these we already did it all together, the spelling game, the listening activities, okay? Now, the show and tell, we also did it here in the class when I was with you. And then I started like posting some activities that you had to do on your own, like the reading activity, the vocabulary activity that I hope you already did it. So my first invitation is please check all the activities that I have proposed here. And if you haven't done any, please devote some time to finish, okay? Devote some time to do it. Headsprout activities. And finally, the last activity that we did was reading assignment in Kids A to Z. Well, today we're going to do a writing exercise, okay? And I'm going to ask you to please go to the general channel, okay? As soon as you finish checking this video, you will see the instructions for each one of the activities through these kind of videos, okay? For you to listen to instructions very well and have it clear what to do. Remember, you have to do the activities of interactive spot classes in interactive spot time. If you are going to school, well, you have to find a time in your free time in the afternoon to do the activities, okay? Because they're always short activities and meaningful exercises that will help you improve your level of English. All right. Well, in this opportunity, as I was saying, the session number 7 from November the 18th to the 24th, you will find the activity in the general channel because guess what? We're going to improve our writing abilities. So I'm going to ask you to click on the general channel first and then you click on Blog de Notas, okay? So once you click on Blog de Notas, you will have the following information. Okay, so here is the welcoming message. It says, writing a short story, okay? I'm going to invite you to write a short story based on some pictures. So the instructions are very simple. There are only 3 instructions. First, you have to select your name in Blog de Notas, okay? Then you click on the second term, and finally, you write a story based on the pictures that you will find. But it says here, select your name in Blog de Notas. Where can you find your name? Well, you have to click on the navigation panel over here. Over here, can you see? There is a symbol like 3 little books. I'm going to put it a little bit bigger so you can see better. Look, in here. In here, you can find, well, first, Blog de Notas, and secondly, you click on these 3 little books, or well, this symbol that you will find. And of course, you will find your name in this navigation bar over here, okay? I have all the names of all the students of second grade, so don't worry, don't worry. You don't have the same information in your account. You only find your name. So the first instruction says, select your name in Blog de Notas. So you have to select your name. Let's pick up an example. Ana Diaz could be. Thank you, Ana. And then it says click on second term, okay, because well, that's the term that we're currently studying. And in here, you will find the tag or the page that is called story picture. Please click on the story picture, and there you will find the following. Here, there is a picture, well, a series of pictures to be honest. It's marked 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, those pictures are representing a story that is called Fred Loves Food. For example, remember this is second grade example. Probably in third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, first grade, you can find a different story, but there's not a problem, okay? I'm just giving you an example with the instructions so you can um, know what to do. So in this one, as you can see, Fred is this little boy that is over here. And they are in a specific place. I don't want to tell you like more detail. I'm just going to give you like the motivation for you to write down a very short story, okay? But remember, you have to follow the sequence of the pictures, okay? Secondly, well, as you can see here, it says number 2. So something happened, okay? Something changed from the picture number 1. Take your time, take your time. Now, in the picture number 3, something else is happening, right? And finally, well, you can see that the father is surprised. He's saying like, what happened? Okay, well, so your mission, if you decide to accept it, and I hope you accept it, it's to write a story, a very short story based on those pictures. You don't have to write like in the picture 1, in the picture 2, in the picture 3. No, 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 no. It's a story. For example, I'm going to do an example. Once upon a time, there was a little boy who loved food. Okay. He wanted to and then he you have to continue writing the story. Okay. After that, it's important to use connectors. Okay. It's important to use connectors. Secondly, and finally, okay. Of course, I don't want to give you more clues because I would be doing the activity that you are supposed to do. So this is just an example and some ideas on what you have to write. So don't forget to start your story by saying once upon a time, okay, and there you will be starting, okay, one by one, and follow the sequence of the stories. At the end, well, it's important to write like author author Alexander Chapeton, or well, in this case, it would be your name, okay, your name. But since I'm writing the story, I write Alexander Chapeton Morales, for example. This is the author, okay, this is the author. And well, this is all that you have to do today. Please write at least some sentences, okay, according to your level. If it is first grade, well, I will accept that you write 5, 6 sentences, okay. In second grade, you have to write 8, 9 sentences. In third grade, you have to write a longer story every time, okay. And of course, the pictures are going to be a little bit different for you to write another story, okay. So that's all. I hope you can check, as I was saying. Please don't forget to check the second term assignments, all the activities that we have done during this term. So please, in your English notebook, you can write, let me see, Kids A to Z, an alphabet assignment. Oh, yes, I did. Tick. Then the spelling game. Did I play that game? Oh, yes. Tick. The show and tell activity. Did I do it? Oh, yes. Tick. The objective, oh, reading aloud. Did I do the running record? The running record. There is another video tutorial that I published. Did I do that running record? Oh, yes, I did. Okay, perfect. No, I didn't. All right. So you have to look for the time and try to do it. Vocabulary. Did I do the vocabulary activity in Kids A to Z? I don't remember, teacher. Well, I'm going to check. Well, check. Okay. Remember that now interactive spot class is asynchronous, and the idea is that you can do all these activities by yourself. Okay. So I count on you. I really know that you are very good and committed students. So I hope you can comply with your responsibilities and all your duties. Okay. So remember, today's activity it's in general channel, block de notas, and second term. After you select your name, you select your name in here in the navigation bar. All right, and then you select your name, any name in here, for example, Angel, and then you click second term, and you select story picture, and you have to write your story right here, continue the story right here. Once upon a time, blah 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 blah. All right. Well, my dear students, have a good day. If you have any problem, please don't hesitate. You can contact me to my email, okay, or you can ask questions to your English teachers and they will let me know. All right. Bye bye. It was nice to be here. So I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.